The DJI Osmo Nano has officially landed, and it's here to shake up the world of mobile content creation. For years, creators have had to choose between bulky professional gear and shaky handheld footage on their phones. Now, DJI is stepping in with something new, a stabilizer so small and portable, it literally fits in your pocket, yet promises the kind of smooth, cinematic results you'd expect from professional equipment. Designed with vloggers, travelers, and social media storytellers in mind, the Osmo Nano is lightweight, easy to use, and packed with smart features. From intelligent shooting modes to seamless app integration, DJI claims this tiny device can elevate your phone's camera to new creative heights. But here's the real question. Can a stabilizer this compact actually live up to the hype? Can it handle vlogging on the move, tricky low-light shots, or fast-paced adventures without missing a beat? In this video, we're putting the Osmo Nano through a full hands-on test to find out if it truly deserves a spot in your everyday creator kit. Let's start with first impressions. The moment you pick up the DJI Osmo Nano, its design immediately stands out. It's sleek, minimal, and clearly engineered for portability, at just a fraction of the weight of most everyday gadgets. It feels light in your hand without coming across as cheap. The brush finish gives it a premium touch, while the foldable arm ensures it slips easily into a pocket or small bag. Perfect for creators who are always on the move. Ergonomics matter too, and DJI gets this right. The button placement feels intuitive whether you're filming in landscape or selfie mode. The Osmo Nano sits comfortably in hand, making it ideal for long shoots without fatigue. Setup is refreshingly simple. Thanks to the magnetic phone mount system, balancing, a common pain point with older gimbals, is no longer necessary. You simply unfold the arm, snap your phone into place, and you're ready to record within seconds. This quick start is a huge win for creators who need to capture moments instantly. When it comes to footage, the Osmo Nano doesn't replace your smartphone's camera, but instead enhances it. DJI's intelligent image optimization works in the background, automatically adjusting brightness, contrast, and sharpness depending on your environment. The result is footage that looks polished and cinematic without needing hours of manual editing. Paired with phones capable of 4K video, the Nano produces vibrant, detailed clips that look impressive in both daylight and challenging low-light conditions. Stabilization is where the Osmo Nano shines brightest. Powered by a 3-axis motorized gimbal, it transforms shaky handheld footage into buttery smooth video. Whether you're walking through busy streets, hiking on uneven trails, or even filming from a moving vehicle, the Nano keeps your shots steady and fluid. DJI also includes multiple stabilization modes, follow, tilt lock, and FPV, giving creators flexibility to match their shooting style. For anyone tired of wobbly, amateur-looking phone footage, this device feels like a total game changer. But stabilization is only part of the story. The Osmo Nano's companion software, the DJI Mio app, takes things a step further. It's designed to be beginner-friendly while offering advanced tools for experienced creators. Through the app, you get live previews, instant editing options, and quick sharing to social platforms. AI-powered suggestions, pre-designed templates, and one-tap filters make it easy to create professional-looking content directly on your phone. For creators who live stream or post frequently, the built-in streaming support is another major advantage. Battery life is practical too, delivering around 2 to 2.5 hours of continuous shooting. With USB-C fast charging, downtime is short, and the clever addition of bidirectional charging means you can even give your smartphone a quick boost if needed. That's the kind of thoughtful detail that shows DJI understands the needs of creators on the go. Of course, we can't forget about the intelligent shooting modes that make the Osmo Nano truly versatile. Dynamic zoom allows for dramatic, cinematic pull effects. Time-lapse and hyperlapse add creative flair to movement-heavy scenes, while panorama mode stitches together breathtaking wide shots with minimal effort. Gesture control is another highlight, letting you start or stop recording with a simple hand wave, an especially handy feature for solo vloggers. Taken together, these features make the Osmo Nano a powerful tool for any kind of content creator. It blends portability, stabilization, and creativity into one device, proving that you don't need heavy or complicated gear to capture professional results. Whether you're just starting your content creation journey or you're a seasoned filmmaker looking for a lightweight backup tool, the Osmo Nano delivers a level of performance that's hard to ignore. So, does the DJI Osmo Nano live up to the hype? Absolutely. It proves that professional level results can come from a stabilizer small enough to carry every day. From its sleek, portable design to its excellent stabilization and creative shooting modes, the Nano is a reliable companion for anyone serious about mobile content creation. It's not just about making your footage look smooth. It's about giving creators the confidence to film anywhere, anytime, without worrying about bulky equipment. The Osmo Nano combines intelligent features, user-friendly controls, and seamless app integration to deliver an experience that's approachable for beginners yet powerful enough for experienced storytellers. Whether you're a vlogger capturing daily life, a traveler exploring new destinations, or simply someone who loves creating clips for social media, this device has the right mix of portability and performance to fit your needs. Thanks for tuning in to Lens Loop. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, drop your thoughts and comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest creator gear. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep innovating with Lens Loop.